One type of marketing is called interruption marketing. So you ring somebody up, so I'm a great recruiter, can we have some business? You're watching the game on TV, and they say, we'll be right back after the break. That interrupts your viewing to show you the ads. Yeah? You're driving along, walk through town, all the billboards. You're bombarded with marketing messages. It's estimated we're bombarded with between 3,000 and 5,000 marketing messages a day, every single day. How many calls do you think your clients are getting from recruiters saying, I'm a great recruiter? How many do you think? 8 an hour, 10 an hour? It's unbelievable. So you're bombarding, you're interrupting to tell me you're a great recruiter. And the other form of marketing is called permission marketing. Let me share a story with you. November of last year, we considered hiring some cars. I went to a number of websites inquiring about hiring a car. I went to one website and it said this on the website. I went to 21 websites in total, but one website said this. 7 questions you should ask before you lease your next car. If you'd like to get this free report, simply give us your details and we'll send the report to you. And I filled it in. I knew exactly what they were doing. That's called permission marketing. So I went to 21 websites. 20 of them have absolutely no idea I've been to their website. Imagine for a second you had on your website, I don't know, 7 questions you should ask a headhunter or recruiter before you spend a penny. No cost, no obligations, simply get this report. It's estimated that the average recruiter in the UK gets about 2,000 visitors to their website. The clients I work with, and we'll give you some testimonies to verify this, our average client gets between 30 and 80 leads a month just from their website. Why wouldn't you do that? There's no cost, there's no risk. Let's say you put it's called an opt-in page on your website and nobody opts in. It hasn't cost you anything. That's what I mean by seduction. You get them to what we call raise their hand and indicate they have some interest in what you're doing, rather than going, can we get married? By the way, I'm not proposing to you when I say that, but you see the point I'm making. Does that make sense?